In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a non-deductible traditional IRA contribution and a Roth conversion in your tax software. This process is important because it helps make sure your tax return is accurate, especially when Form 8606 needs to be calculated correctly. If you made a non-deductible contribution to a traditional IRA and then converted that money to a Roth IRA, the software needs both parts entered properly so it can track your basis and avoid taxing the same money twice. Start by going to the Deductions and Credits section of your return. From there, open the area for traditional and Roth IRA contributions. In this section, enter your non-deductible traditional IRA contribution. Take your time here and make sure the amount matches your records exactly. This step tells the software that you contributed after-tax money to a traditional IRA, which is what creates the basis reported on Form 8606. If this part is skipped or entered incorrectly, the conversion could be taxed more than it should be. Once that contribution has been entered, move to the Wages and Income section, then go into Retirement Plan Responses, where you'll enter the Form 1099-R related to the conversion. Use the information shown on your 1099-R and enter it carefully into the software. This form reports the distribution that came out of the traditional IRA before it was converted into the Roth IRA. Even though the money was moved into another retirement account, it still needs to be reported through the 1099-R section so the tax software can handle it correctly. As you continue through the walkthrough, pay close attention to the follow-up questions. At some point, the software should ask what you did with the money from the distribution. This is the part where you need to confirm that you converted the money to a Roth IRA. That answer is essential because it tells the program how to complete Form 8606 correctly and determine the taxable and non-taxable portions of the transaction. Be careful not to rush through these interview screens because one overlooked answer can change the tax result. After you've entered both the non-deductible contribution and the 1099-R, review the summary to make sure everything reflects what actually happened. When these entries are done correctly, the software can properly